In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable the double check publish option in WordPress. This feature is designed to prevent users from unintentionally making content live on their website. It provides an additional layer of confirmation to ensure that changes are intentional and have been reviewed before being published. As you can see, this is my WordPress website. Let's first create a page and better understand it. So let's add a new page first. Let me give this page a title, add the content as required, and once done, it's now time to publish the page. Click on the Publish button. You can see the double check publish option here. Clicking on this Publish button will publish the page. Some users find the confirmation prompt to be an extra step that interrupts their workflow. Disabling it can streamline the process of publishing content. To disable it, let's add a new page. Give this page a title and add a description as per your choice. Once that's done, let's publish the page, but instead of clicking over here, for now, click on the More or the three-dot icon over here. Go to Preferences, and you can see Publishing Settings under the General tab. Simply toggle this switch which says Include Pre-Publish Check, and once you're done, let's publish the page by clicking on the Publish button. And you can see it does not further ask for the double check, and that's how easy it is to disable the double check publish option in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.